We must never stop being good, to learn, to love without limits or conditions, giving sincerely and caring for others, without expecting anything in return, is the boundless compassion as humans can offer to one another. Becoming the winner of Miss Bintang Indonesia Remaja is not just an achievement, nor is it merely about receiving a prestigious crown and title. It goes beyond that. It is a great responsibility and an opportunity to make a positive impact on society, especially in empowering groups that are often marginalized, such as the disabled community. People with disabilities often do not receive the same rights as others and frequently face discrimination, limited access, and a lack of opportunity to fully participate in various aspects of life. The challenges they face are not only physical, but also mental and social. I intend to bring about real change, to advocate for inclusivity, and to raise awareness of the importance of equality for all levels of society, including the disabled. Raising public awareness, especially among the younger generation, about the rights of people with disabilities. Many people may not yet understand the needs and challenges faced by this group. By voicing these issues, educating the wider community about the importance of providing appropriate support, whether in terms of access to education, employment, or creating a friendly environment for the disabled, we can spark positive change from us and to us. This is my dedication to the land on which I stand. I am Carissa Prawira, Miss United World Indonesia 2024. One positive action for a million smiles.